Hello everyone, myself Tanya Kumari. I am the member of VNTP. I, along with my fellow group members Prathamesh, Belavagi, Nikhil, Atram, and Vedic Dutta, hereby take the opportunity to present our work, a device to control milk spilling. Over the years, numerous methods have come to the fore and various ways have been visualized, but they have problems of their own. This is where our work makes its mark. Our device uses sensor-based technology to identify the point of milk about to spill and automatically switch off the knob. Not only does it remove the need of constant monitoring, but also act as an alarm to alert the user of the spilling point.
This is the simulation of Arduino part of our project. So when the distance between the cream of the milk and the ultrasonic distance sensor is greater than the specified distance, at that time the motor would be rotated to 180 degrees and would be stationary, and the piezo speaker would be turned off. As the cream of the milk rises and would decrease the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the cream layer itself, it would trigger the ultrasonic sensor and would in turn um, trigger this servo motor to rotate by 90 degrees in clockwise direction, hence turning off the gas knob, and would also turn on the piezo speaker, alerting its user that the milk is about to spill. So you can see, as I said, the piezo speaker is present and the servo motor has been rotated. But as the cream of the milk then settles down after turning off the gas knob, this would retaliate the motor and would also turn off the speaker, alerting its user that the job has been done. Thank you.
Here are the mechanical parts of the whole system. This part is called the primary cylinder and it will support the whole system, and it also has a groove to withdraw any sorts of wires. The secondary cylinder contains screw holes for the screw to pass through both the cylinders. This is the screw itself which will pass through both the cylinders and will keep the height fixed. The socket for the servo motor will contain the servo motor and contains a hole which will allow us to withdraw any cables from the servo motor. This is a cover for the circle elements and its dimensions have been set accordingly, according to the case of the circle elements.
So this is the circuit case which contains Arduino Uno, breadboard and the piezo speaker. This is the sensor stand which supports the ultrasonic sensor. This is a cover which protects the ultrasonic sensor from the back. And this is a customized knob which is made to get fixed into the stove's knob. And these holes provide path for the strings to get connected to the servo motor for the purpose of rotation. So I hope you liked the efforts and thanks for watching.